Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explore the market. Actually guys, I have purpose to make this video in Doha where you can shopping with low budget, how you can save your money. So now I'm going to explore the market. Okay, let's go to my video. We will explore there inside.
We buy any garment item and footwear item. Any footwear and garment item by the 100 real purchase, you can get 25 real vouchers to buy any items.
25
It's a
real.
new
Yeah, if I
offer.
spend 100 real, just they will give the 25
25
real.
real voucher. Yes.
Yeah, very nice.
Then I have a
Also 65 real. This one is 65 real. I should like you can buy.
yeah, see, they are all very nice.
Okay, let me go another side. These watches are for ladies, and see here some kind of
all new model ladies.
these are new arrivals.
All new
for the-
arrivals.
Yeah, for the ladies. How
For
much the
ladies.
normally? How much the maximum price here, brother?
This price is 59 real offer price.
Yeah.
Normal price is 89 real. Now offer price is 59 real.
Okay.
Very
If
good
any
offer.
ladies watch my video, let you watch these watches as you like. You can buy here, and here also some new watches here available. Brother, how much this watch?
This price 40 real only.
Only 40 riyals.
So it's worth 40 years.
Yeah.
This all 40 real are there. And then yes.
Yeah, these
Yeah, 20
watches
real.
are 20 riyals only. Yeah. You can see here the 45 riyal only, 45 riyal only. The Fitons men's rubber watch only for one piece, one piece 45 riyals. This is the watch you can see here, and here's also for the ladies watches here, and they will give only 35 riyal one piece. These are the watch for that.
This is a normal price is 45 real. Now give only 35 real. From here 59 real. Now give 45 real.
45 exactly. It's fantastic.
Yeah.
And you can see there's a lot of kind of watches are here. These sides are for men,
Yeah.
and these are the sports watch. And you can see here this one for the ladies.
Ladies watch.
Yeah,
Yes.
as you like guys, you can buy here. The prices are affordable and very cheap.
Smart watch also.
And they have
Bluetooth
this.
watch?
Yeah, it is a Bluetooth watch and a smart watch, no?
Yes, it's smart watch.
How much
Yes.
this one? Is this one is?
This price is 79 real. Now offer price.
They have the now discount, guys. They will
Now
give the
normal
offer.
price is 109. Offer price is 79.
Oh, really?
Yes.
The normal price is here 109, 109 riyal, and they will give the offer. How much the offer?
79.
79 riyal. Oh, really? So 79 riyal is the discount. They will give this watch, and another one is this one is smart round.
This is the smart
Yeah.
round one. This display also can put up picture also.
It's
yeah.
waterproof, na?
This also is smart watch.
Uh-huh.
Connected Bluetooth watch.
Uh-huh.
Then the display can save a picture also.
Really nice.
Yeah,
man.
yeah, yeah.
How much actually the price
This
is?
actually price is 130. Now give a discount price is 110.
So nice. So you can see here, you can buy here also the sunglasses. He will give the discount. If you spend here 100 riyal, you can get here 25 riyal shopping voucher as you like, guys.
Yeah.
Please make it was you are shopping here. You can buy as you like here.
Bye.
And man, sports shoe is 39 reals only. These items are 39 reals, and we will go here. This one is boot land menzu 249 reals. This one 249 reals. You can see these kind of shoes are under the 39 reals all. Yes, the sizes are different. They're only 39 reals. And we will go another side. And this one is ladies casual shoes, 25 reals only. These are for the ladies, 25 reals. And you can see high gears and his bags. The branded shoe is here. How much this one? Where's the price tag? Actually the price tag is not here. You can see here, and you can see these columns are different kind of the casual fans are here. The sizes are different. You can see the prices also very different. The different kind of clothes are here. The cotton type fans and different kind of quality of the fans are here. These are the formal fans are here. So the size also different here. This column is 30 sizes, and this one is 32 sizes. This column, and this column is 34, and different kind of colors here. As you like, you can buy here with cheap price. Look, you can see this jacket is 75 real only. This is 75 reals. Let me check here one by one. So this one is how much? 105 reals. And this one is good, looking good. Let me check the price. Okay, I don't know where's the price tag they make. Okay, I will show you one by one. Let me check here. Whatever you like, you can choose, guys. Wow, I like this one. It look very nice. And these are using for the winter season, you know. These items are we can use for winter season. And there's a t-shirt section, we will for the t-shirt section. $35 real only this one, and this one is it will go to 29 reals. Oh, it's a nice color. Only 29 reals. 29 real only this one. Okay, I will show you this full sleeve. It's a nice cloth, is a cotton type cloth. You can see, and this white t-shirt is only 49 real. The very nice cloth, guys. And let me go here. There's a t-shirt area. There's so many collections are here. Actually, like you can buy whatever which what is your favorite color, you can buy here. And Here you can see here the rechargeable flashlight, 3 pieces. They will give 119 riyal. You can see the price here, 119 riyal. And there is another light also here. Just we will check. This is an emergency light. They will queue 69 something. Yeah, 69 Qatar riyal. It's a flashlight. It's an emergency light. And you can see the fog machine is the best offer here. So 49 riyal only the fog machine, and there is some start flashlight. So they all are under the offer, so 29 riyal something. And there's a lot of kind of branded flashlight, something extra torchlight. So okay, now we are here in the electronic area, so we will check one by one. And there is a dreamer also, and there's a lot of kind of the dreamer. There's a lot of branded here. Okay, let me check one by one. And you can see here Nikkei dreamer, just only 15 riyal. So this is the one, 15 riyal. So you can buy whatever you want, you can buy here. So you can see here the Jeepa. So it says here how much this is, 479 riyals. So these all are under the discount. They make the offers. So 235 riyals. And let we go here. Com theater, how much the com theater? 549 riyals. And this one 175 riyals. And lot of home theaters are here. So like there's a lot of branded Sunford, Jeepas, a lot of branded items are here. So like you can buy here, and whatever you like. If you can see here 799 riyal, almost 800 riyal. This one. Only for this 800 riyal, and this one only 95 riyal. You can see here the price 99 riyal, and this one is 135 riyal. You can see this is 95 riyal, this is 135 riyal. There's a lot of from the other side here. Okay, like you can buy here, guys. These are the home theaters area. So whatever you like, you can buy here. So they will make the discount.